Welcome back students. In this video we are going to see the problems on the normal distribution. So he has given the first problem. If x is normally distributed and mean of the x is 12 and standard deviation is 4, then find the following, that is p of x greater than or equal to 20, p of x less than 20, and third one is p of 0 less than x less than or equal to 12. So here he has asked this thing. He has given the mean value, that is mu equal to 12 and standard deviation sigma equal to 4. So he has given the problem in the variate, normal variate. Now we have to change this normal variate into standard normal variate by using the standard normal variate formula, that is z equal to x minus mu by sigma. Why? Because we are having the table values in the standard normal variate. So we have to convert this normal variate into the standard normal variate by using the formula z equal to x minus mu by sigma. That means x minus 12 by 4. So the first one is p of x greater than or equal to 20. That means when x equal to 20, then what is the value of z? So the z value becomes 2. Now what we have to do is, when x equal to 20, then the z value becomes 2. Now we have to draw a normal curve. So the normal curve, we already know that at x equal to mu, the z value becomes 0. So here z greater than or equal to 2. So 2 means the value is here. So z greater than means up to infinity. So we have to find all this area. So if we want to find this area, then what we have to do is, we have to take from 0 to infinity and we have to subtract from 0 to 2, then only we get that area. So that is what I am doing here. So I have taken 0 to infinity, so that means here I have taken to 0 to infinity and I am subtracting from 0 to, so p of 0 less than or equal to z less than or equal to 2. So I have taken 0 to infinity minus 0 to 2, then by taking the table values, I know that 0 to infinity the value is 0.5. And based on the table value 0 to 2, I am having the table value, that is 0.4772. So on subtracting, I get the answer, that is 0.0228. So this is the answer for p of x greater than or equal to 20. So similarly, I can find p of x less than 20. Less than means up to minus infinity. So z equal to 2 here, less than means up to minus infinity. So this problem we can do in two ways. So we already know that p of x less than 20 can be written as 1 minus p of x greater than or equal to 20. Already I have done p of x greater than or equal to 20 in the previous problem. So previous one. So here p of x greater than or equal to 20 means 0.0228. So I have to substitute that value. Then I got the answer 0.9772. So simply by using this, you can usually do this problem. Or you can do by using the other method. So if he has not given the first one, then we have to go for the other option. So here by using this curve we can write this. So here up to minus infinity to 0 plus 0 to 2, we get the answer. So up to minus infinity to 0, we already know that the value is 0.5, and 0 to 2, the table value is 0.4772. So now adding this, we get 0.9772. So this is the answer for the given problem. So next we are going to see the next problem. Next one. So p of 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 12. So when x equal to 0, then what is the z value? So the z value is minus 3. When x equal to 12, then what is the z value? Z value is 0. Therefore, p of minus 3 less than or equal to z less than or equal to 0 becomes as p of 0 less than or equal to z less than or equal to 3. So on seeing the table, we can easily find the value for 0 to 3, that is 0.4987. So this is the answer for the given problem. So next we have to go for the other problem. We are going to see the other problem. So in this problem, in the second problem, he has given mean is 8 and standard deviation is 4, and he has asked all the other values. So we already know that the mean is 8, sigma is 4. So when x equal to 5, then what is the value of z? That is minus 0.75. When x equal to 10, then what is the z value? That is 0.50. When x equal to 15, then what is the z value? That is 1.75. When x equal to 20, then what is the z value? That is 3. So based on these values, we are going to find all the above. So number one, p of 5 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 10. So this can be written as minus 0.75 less than or equal to z less than or equal to 0 plus 0 less than or equal to z less than or equal to 0.50. So we already know the table values for this. So on substituting the table values, we get the required solution. So next one is similar to that, p of 10 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 15. So this can be written as p of 0.50 less than or equal to z less than or equal to 1.75. So 1.75 is here. So we have to find this area. So on finding this area, first of all, what we have to do is, we have to take from 0 to minus 0 to 1.75, and we have to subtract from 0 to 0.50. Then we get the required answer. So similarly, this also, z is greater than or equal to 1.75. So we have to take from 0 to infinity, and we have to subtract from 0 to 1.75. then we get the required solution. P of x less than or equal to 5, that means z less than or equal to minus 0.75. That means we have to take from minus infinity to 0 and we have to subtract from minus 0.75 to 0. Then we get the required solution. So next problem, in this next problem he has given between 0.87 and 1.28. So similarly we draw the normal curve for this and we have to see what area we have to find. So we have to find the area between 0.87 and 1.28. So that means we have to write like this. That means P of 0 less than or equal to z less than or equal to 1.28 minus 0 to 0.87 on taking the table values. So we are providing a table value, so on seeing that values we can easily find the solution further. So the next one is similar to that. He has asked to find minus 0.34 less than or equal to z less than or equal to 0.62. That means we have to find this area. So that means we have to take from minus 0.34 to 0 plus 0 to 0.62. On taking the table values, we get the answer, that is 0.3654. So similarly, we can do the problem same in the same manner. So here also same, mean he has given mu equal to 158, he has given sigma equal to 20. So when x equal to 150, then what is the value of z? That is standard normal variant, that is minus 0.4. Next, when x equal to 170, then what is the value of z? That is 0.6. Now we have to draw the normal curve. So in the normal curve, we have to find the area between minus 0.4 to 0.6. That means we have to take from minus 0.4 to 0 plus 0 to 0.6. On taking the table values, we can simply find the solution. And he has already said that total number of students are 100 and 0.3811 into 100. That means 38. Why means we already know that the students should not be in a integer, so the answer is 38. So similarly, we find the other problem. In this problem, he has given the problem in the normal variate. Now we have to convert this problem into standard normal variate. So when x equal to 3.43, then the standard normal variate is 0.81. When x equal to 6.19, then the standard normal variate is 1.73. On substituting these values, we get simply the answer, that is 0.167. Similarly, we can do x equal to 1 minus 1.42. So these are the problems on the normal distribution. So thank you students, thank you very much.